Why, welcome! Kat right here. So today we will be planting our new pots with some cypresses. So we built this staircase last year. Now we just gotta fill these beautiful pots with some cypresses to kind of frame the staircase. So that's our project for the day. So the first step of this is to fill the bottom part of the pot with some gravel. So I got a bucket full of gravel. Just pour this in. This pot comes with this little liner, so we'll fill it up to the bottom. We put this in, then we'll put the potting soil. Let's do the other one.
Luffy, what do you think of this project, Loof? Is this gonna be a good one, buddy?
Okay, we got the gravel in, so now we're gonna take some of the potting soil, put it in the bottom, then take our plants and kind of surround it by the potting soil, and then of course put some water on it. So let's get planting. Okay, so we got our first one planted. Now we'll do the second one. So I planted these cypresses, and when I originally planted them, I wanted it to be very simple. I didn't want a lot to it, but the more I've looked at these, the more I've been very unhappy with them. I think it just needs a little bit more to it. So I think we're gonna take a run to Home Depot. We'll find something else I can put around here that kind of flows over the side. So let's go to Home Depot. So we are here at Home Depot. We're getting our ground cover, the Creeping Jenny, for our little pots. So we have something that hangs over. So, Creeping Jenny. Voila! So we ran to Home Depot, got some Creeping Jenny. Now we're just gonna plant some of this in our pots, and whatever we have left, I'll just use in the yard. That's why I got a whole pallet. Awesome, I think that's what I was looking for. So as soon as this ground cover, the Creeping Jenny, grows in, and these get a little longer, it'll just be very pretty on here. So we got the first one done, let's do the other. Okay, so we got the ground cover, the Creeping Jenny around the cypress. The cypress is gonna get pretty tall, but for the most part, when the Creeping Jenny starts filling in, I think that'll be just beautiful. So, we're all done with the project for the day. And remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.